All right. Okay, so if we get triggered at this short 32.60.50, TP1 would be 32.58.50, TP2 would be 32.55.50. Here we go, we're moving down. Stop loss would be 2 points at 62.50. And I will send this if we get triggered. So I have it ready to go. Also, oh, I have the limit short in, but I don't think we're going to get close to it yet. With NQ at 10,893. Could even be like 92. All right, ES, come on. It's already 8:30. It's crazy we haven't taken a trade yet. It just did so much today that it's kind of just taking a break. It makes sense. CJ. All right, let's see if we get triggered in the 60.50. You're so sweet, Paper Chaser. All right, it came down, but we still are not filled. One more tick. I'm trading minis, so if you're trading micros, you may, like, just be aware that we could be filled at different times just because of the number of orders that are on the buy and the sell for the minis versus the micros. So just be aware of that. It surprises me how many of you have a printer or like, all right, I'm triggered in the trade. A color printer at home, like, what? All right, come on, ES. Let's move it down. Don't be getting all pushing back here. Oh, and then I could type in that I have this short for NQ limit in. I know Steve said I can't complain about ES anymore, but I still don't really care about ES much at all. What else do you guys have going on? Any exciting weekend plans anyone has? Yes, to Lauren. Yeah, I feel the same way, Steve. I feel the same way. Oh, your wife's a teacher. That makes sense. JD, it might depend on how much is in your account. At night, there's an overnight margin, which is different than the day margin. So during the day, a mini is $50, but at night, I think it might be like $100. Or a micro, and then a mini at night is $1,000 per. All right, we're coming back down. We're at our entry. Here we go. Let's move down to 58.50. Yes, Jesse, I only use the break even and the offset with NQ just because it moves so fast. With ES, you have so much time to click and drag. Like, you could still do it, but you would have to literally wait until you got, like, you would have to do, if you wanted to do the auto break even plus like 2 ticks, you could do that in ES after you hit like 2 points. But if you do it beforehand, you'll literally just be stopped every time, so. But you could do it because like at 2 points is when we take our first TP and I go to break even anyway. So you could definitely do it after 2 points. Yeah, cool. Like 2 points and then do 2 ticks, or 2 points and do like a flat break even. All right, so the next level I have for ES, since this is the trade we are in, is not until 32.58. So we should hit this TP1 at 32.58.50. We are 2 ticks in the money. It's just like this is the low for the night, so it may just like take a second to actually move down. But under 60 should look good. for us to continue lower. Oh, you know what I just thought about? Right? Today was Thursday? Today was Thursday, Sunil, and it wasn't that bad. Sometimes Thursdays are super hard to trade. But today was actually really, really smooth. Maybe Thursdays are getting better. It's so cute, Shane. You have like an exact day. Exactly. Yeah, maybe like one Shane, because he really wasn't going to. Like, I literally told him today if he didn't agree, not if he didn't agree, like it wasn't like an ultimatum, but like he told me today that 20 people DM'd him. I have people DMing me saying, please convince Kenny to alert. So literally it's just at this point it's just getting annoying. So I'm like, Kenny, either like you do it or you don't. But if you're not going to do it, then I'm going to tell everyone to stop DMing you, stop DMing me, and get off your balls. Like, that's legit what I said to him. I said, okay, then if you're not doing it, you need to tell everyone to like back off and get off your nuts. And he was like, well, so what time would you want me to trade? So I'm like, okay, all right, so then let's do this. Like, let's do it or not do it. Like, I'm not here for the seesaw back and forth. Like, I'm totally fine either way. Like, you want to do it or you don't want to do it. There's no hard feelings. So it was kind of like, you know, Shane, I got you. Oh, you're saying the July 23rd is when you and I talked. Oh yeah. I was like, how do you know that exact date? But yeah, like he is not like so crazy about it. But I'm happy he's doing it. And I think he's excited now. He's getting like kind of pumped. But I'm not that person. I'm not going to beg you. Here we go. We're at 59.75. Like, I'm not going to beg you for something, but obviously most of the room wants it. And obviously him and I, you know, I'm going to be paying him. So it's like, do you want to do this or not? And if not, then I'll move on and find someone else. All right, we're down to 59.50. No, he's not running a WebEx call at all. He's not doing anything but giving the alerts like at the real time when he sees them in the champagne room. He's not sharing charts. He's not giving analysis. He's not saying how he finds his trades. He's literally just saying, "Oh, I'm going to take a long at 10,644. I'm going to take a long at 10,800. I'm going to take a long," like, that's all he's going to say. And then I'm taking another long at 10,800. So that's why I'm saying you have to really be prepared to be paying attention to the alert service that he's giving if you want to take advantage of his alerts. And you have to be ready to just get in, because you guys know NQ moves fast. And if he's typing, you already know it's probably moving. Yeah, well, Steve can't type out his alerts because how will they know what they are? He's not going to be on a phone with anybody. He's going to be also working. So I suggested maybe he like shares his screen so people could just see when he clicks on his DOM, but I think he's just going to alert. So ES is being its typical bitchy self, and she won't freaking give me 2 points. She gave me 1 point. If it comes back down to 1 point, I might take it because I'm not here to mess with her. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. And Q's coming down too. And Q needs to break this 900 level. I think that's what's holding it. It keeps hanging out at 902. Let's go. Let's go. I have this like plastic thing that I keep smacking myself in the face with. I don't know why. It doesn't feel good. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Feel free to take profit, obviously, whenever you want in this ES trade. And it takes a little while to actually get used to what's going on in the charts. With your stuff, Josh, or with mine? Oh no, Steve, it was like a private. It was a DM. It was just Shane and I talking. Oh, here we go. We're gonna get TP1. We were just talking about Kenny. Are these all DM?
Order filled.
Yes. Okay, TP1 was hit. TP1 was hit. I'm at break even plus 2 ticks at 32.60. We might get triggered in this NQ one too. Remember, we have this NQ short at 93. Let's go, let's go. Here we go. We're moving down. I might get triggered in this. Oh, what do I want for NQ? I want 83. All right, we're triggered in NQ. I'm triggered in NQ. I want 83. Let's see if we can get it. My TP is actually at 84. TP 10,008, 83. 84 actually. I have 84. Here we go. We're in the green for NQ. I'm going to be pulling my stop loss in the green in any second because I'm not letting this come against me. All right, I'm in the green for NQ at 91.50. Here we go. Guys, we're at 87. I'm at 90 for my stop loss. All right, I'm out at 90. So I got 3 points with 2 contracts. I'm going to move my stop loss down for ES. I'm now at 59.50. I'm just going to go to 59. I'm at 59. I could go to 59.50. I'm at 59 for my second. So plus 6 points in NQ. Let's see where ES wants to go. I got stopped in ES at 59. So I got 2 points in ES, and then what were we in at? 60. So another 1.5. So 3.5 points. All right, we're 2 for 2, and it's 8:35. You know I'm gonna be done soon. My son messed up my favorite pen. Usually talking about things that's done. It takes a while to actually, so it's going on in general, my stuff for. Yeah, Josh, I guess the word charts confused me. So you're doing the digital mentorship. Hold on, let me stop this recording.